smartwatch and fitness tracker with an incredible battery life. Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox, and in this video, let's take a break from smartphones and let's talk about the Huawei Watch GT. But before we get to that, I know we just announced our raffle winners, but stay tuned, we have more stuff to give away that techies like you will surely enjoy, so hit that subscribe button. Okay, back to the original topic. Full disclosure, I'm not a big fan of smartwatches or watches in general because I tend to just check my phone for the time and I have small wrists, so watches tend to look too big and too chunky when I wear them. However, when I got the Huawei Watch GT, I couldn't help but feel really excited. The packaging looked so good, it looked so elegant, I just had to open it right away. Inside, the watch was cradled in the box. It was white, pristine, and beautiful. I absolutely loved it. In fact, I loved it so much I've been wearing it almost daily for the past 2 weeks, and that's a big thing for someone who's not a watch person. So I'd like to share my experience with you guys. So here it is, the pros and cons of the Huawei Watch GT. And to put things into perspective, I'm just gonna say the price right away. It's 12,990 pesos. Pro number 1, it looks really good. Mine came with a white silicone strap, which means that it can be used while working out, but surprisingly, it goes pretty well with your hashtag #OOTD2. It's not your typical fitness watch that you will only wear at the gym. It's something that you will be proud to sport from morning till night. Pro number 2, it's very easy to use. As I mentioned earlier, I hardly use smartwatches, but I was able to figure it out easily enough. I guess it only took me around 5 minutes, seriously. And it only has 2 buttons. The one on top gives you an app menu that allows you to see your activity records, sleep details, heart rate, compass, etc. And the one at the bottom allows you to track your workouts. Now this leads to the third pro. It's an excellent fitness tracker. It has everything you need to help you track your progress and stay in shape. Now there are several workout routines to choose from, including running, hiking, biking, swimming, to name a few, and it really helps you stay on your toes and be mindful of your health goals. The fourth pro is my favorite thing about this device. It has an incredibly long battery life. One reason I'm not so much into smartwatches is because many of them tend to discharge faster than I'd like them to. I mean, I forget to charge my phone. I will definitely forget to charge a smartwatch. A single charge on the Huawei Watch GT lasts me about a week. Now, those of you wearing smartwatches would probably think I'm joking, but nope, I am serious here. 1 week of battery life on a single charge, that's pretty awesome. Lastly, it has a gorgeous display. I know it's not exclusive to this smartwatch, but I love how you're able to choose different watch faces. It immediately gives it a new look, and sometimes that's really all you need to make it go well with your outfit. Plus, the AMOLED display that also works as a touchscreen is vibrant and lively. I love it. Thumbs up for that. Okay, now let's move on to the cons, or at least some things that I wish it had. The first one is that it's big and chunky, at least for me and for other people with smaller wrists. It doesn't affect how the watch reads the heart rate though, but I would have loved for it to be just a little bit smaller, or at least for it to have a smaller version. Number 2, considering that it has a separate GPS unit that you can use if you want to leave your phone at home while you work out, it would have been great if it had an internal storage or the ability to store tunes so you don't have to bring another device if you're the type who listens to music to help you get pumped for exercise. So the Huawei Watch GT is a smartwatch that's focused on health and fitness. I love the way it looks, I love how I'm able to track my activities, and the battery life is just incredible. So what do you guys think of the Huawei Watch GT? Is it something that you would use? Let us know in the comment section. Before we end this video, again, we will be announcing another giveaway soon, so stay tuned. If you like this video, well, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!